Alvis here. So here's what we do during the pandemic. We're all quarantined. There's no body shops or anything open. So I went out to Walmart and I bought air filter, oil, and an oil filter so I can give myself a lube job, give my truck a lube job. All right guys, current situation. The bucket is too tall to go up underneath my truck. So I guess we'll have to modify it. Let's see. All right. So first you got to remove the plug and drain the oil out. Alright. So that's all your oil drains down. Then you put the plug back on and unscrew the filter. Okay, so you take your new filter, and I always dip my finger in the new oil and rub it around the seal on the new filter so it helps it not to dry rot. So this is the waste material. You can actually transfer it into a safe container and dispose of it properly, or it works good on a chainsaw for bar and chain oil. Okay guys, so here's the fun part, is the oil fill. You know, whatever weight that's specified for the engine. I like to use 5W30, it's just a preference. And make sure that you get the manufacturer rating of how much you put in. This vehicle holds 4.67 quarts. All right guys, that concludes the DIY oil change. I've got about $18 in this oil change and a little bit of time. So anyway, who says you can't get your oil changed during the pandemic?